Hi, this is my Creta 2020E variant. In this video I am going to show you how to replace black door handles with the silver ones. I bought these silver door handles from Bansal Motors Pune for 559 rupees each. All you need is a safety pin, plastic tool and a screwdriver. You need to pop up the plastic lid using a safety pin to get access to the screw. Remove the screw using a Phillips head screwdriver. You will find one more screw near the door handle. You need to remove it in the same manner. Insert the plastic tool between door and door trim and pull the door trim outwards. Do it along one corner until you find enough space to insert your hand. Using your hand, pull the door trim at once. Do not pull the trim too far away from the door. Now you have to lift the trim upwards to remove it from the door. Now carefully remove the strings for locking mechanism from the door handle. Now remove the wire plug from the socket by pressing and pulling. Some push lock pins retained in the door must be pulled out. These push lock pins must be reinserted into the door trim. Carefully pop the door handle out using a screwdriver. Slide the new door handle into the door trim from one side and push it into the door. Pull the tweeter holder out for easy installation of the door. Now all you have to do is restore the things in the same order. Though I bought them just to make the video, I didn't expect them to look so good. They are really looking good.